Now, I thought I'd shoot this video because I wanted to address this comment here where the JB member's asking about the kept profit, where he doesn't really understand it correctly. So what I wanted to do is address that comment, but also let's have a look at how trades are made up and how they're calculated and what the bot does to make you a profit. Now, in this video, I'm not going to get into the algorithms of the bot, but I want to show you the principle of how the bot works. So when you're logged into your Jonny Blockchain account and we go over to the tab My Wallet, I want to look at the Binance Smart Chain trading robots, which is a decentralized trading robots that trades with PancakeSwap. Now, what I'm about to show you is the same for the base network, and it's similar for Binance as well, the centralized exchanges. But let's just do this one for Pancake. So inside My Wallet screen, you've got what's called the Topup wallet. And this wallet's got a wallet balance of $248.19. And that's in the stable coin of Tether. And then if we look over here, it says the DEX fee wallet Topup. And at the current time, that's got 0.23193. So they're two wallets that are involved in the actual trades themselves. There's a third wallet, and that wallet would be your MetaMask wallet. And so if I look at this MetaMask wallet, it's got a stable coin of Tether, and it's got 797. So let's pop these three wallets onto this presentation sheet. So we've got the DEX fee Topup wallet, and that had 0.23193, which at the time of making this video is around $149.39. I want to put it into dollars. And then we've got this My Topup wallet, and that's got a wallet balance of $248.19. Now, both of these balances are not inside your MetaMask wallet. One, in this case, the Topup wallet, you've sent it to Jonny Blockchain. And this one, this DEX fee wallet, you've sent it to the Jonny Blockchain smart contract. Now, the third wallet is your MetaMask wallet. This is where your trading fund is. This is what you're going to use to trade with. And what I've done is taken that $700 and I've just rounded it up for this video up to $1,000. So we've got our three wallets. So let's say that you set up a trading robot that's going to trade Bitcoin and Tether. And you're going to set the first trade for $20. So that means you're going to use $20 out of your $1,000 that you've got here inside your MetaMask wallet to do the first trade. So the robot opens up the first trade and it does a buy. So that means it spent $20 from your $1,000, and to do that, there was a fee of 10 cents. Now, your MetaMask wallet at this stage has gone down from the $1,000 that it's got in it down to 980. Now, inside Jonny Blockchain, your DEX fee wallet, which has got BNB in, has gone down by 10 cents. So it's gone down from that 149.34 down to 149.24. So at this stage, the robot has spent of your funds $20.10. Now, the robot knows that when it makes a sell, there's going to be another fee. So it knows it's got to sell the Bitcoin in this case at higher than $20 and say 20 cents. So let's say that the Bitcoin price goes up enough for the robot to sell the amount of Bitcoin that it bought for $20 and it sells it for $21. Now, when it made that sell, there was also another blockchain fee of 10 cents in this example. So that means that the wallet inside your Jonny Blockchain, which is your DEX fee wallet Topup, has now gone down by another 10 cents, taking it from 149.34 down to 149.14 because it spent 20 cents. 10 cents for the buy, 10 cents for the sell. Now, the $21 that it's collected, that has all gone into your MetaMask wallet. And let me show you this. So if we look at this trade here, we can see that it spent $15 and there was a fee of 13 cents. And if we look over here, it sent back to the MetaMask wallet $15.33. So let's get our calculator. So if we take the $15 that it spent from your MetaMask wallet, and we'll also plus onto that the blockchain fee that it spent over here, which if you hover your mouse over that, we can see it's 13 cents. So far, the robot for this trade has spent $15.13. Now, we also know that there's a blockchain fee over here, which is in this case 12 cents. So what we need to do is to plus that 12 cents onto this. So that means the total that the robot has spent on the trade is $15.25. Now, the robot says that it made $15.33. So we minus what we spent out, which was the $15.25. That leaves a profit of 8 cents, which is, you can see that it's got 8 cents there. But that $15.33 was actually sent to the MetaMask wallet. And we could see that on the blockchain. Both of these here, if you was to click on them, would show you the transaction. But what we want to look at is this transaction where it says it's sent to MetaMask $15.33, not $15.08, because it's only showing 8 cents profit there. So if we go over to the blockchain, we can clearly see that sent to the MetaMask wallet was $15.33. You can clearly see that the robot has taken into account the 2 blockchain fees that it's needed to do the 2 trades. Those blockchain fees would have came out of this wallet. This wallet would have gone down, but this wallet would now start to go back up. So now let's have a look at how a trade works using the kept profits. So let's put the wallets back to what they were, and let's say that you did the same thing again. You set up a trading robot trading with Bitcoin. So like before, your MetaMask wallet has dropped down by $20 and now has a balance of 980. Your Jonny Blockchain DEX fee wallet that's inside Jonny Blockchain has gone down from 149.34 to 149.24 because of that 10 cents blockchain fee. Now, let's say that the price of Bitcoin carried on dropping and your robot had to buy another lot. So it spent another $20. So that means your MetaMask wallet has gone down from the 980 down to 960. And your DEX fee wallet has now gone down from 149.24 down to 149.14. So let's say that the price dropped again and the robot had to buy another lot. Of course, your MetaMask wallet would have gone down to 940. Your BNB wallet inside Jonny Blockchain would have gone down by another 10 cents because of that buy fee. Now, at this point, the price didn't continue to drop and the robot was able to make its first sale and it made a profit of 80 cents. Now, Jonny Blockchain showed you that you'd only made 70 cents and it kept 10 cents. Well, it didn't actually keep anything because it put the full $21 into your MetaMask wallet in this case, but it told you it only made 70 cents and it's keeping 10 cents for bringing down the price of the other lots. So let's get the calculator out. So it bought for $20 plus a buy fee for 10 cents. That brought it to $20.10 that's come out of your wallets. Now, $20 came out of your MetaMask, 10 cents came from your BNB DEX wallet inside Jonny Blockchain. Then there was a sale fee of, again, 10 cents. And that, again, came from your BNB DEX fee wallet, which is the inside your Jonny Blockchain. So that means out of your wallets in total was spent $20.20. Now it sold the Bitcoin that it held $21. So that means if we take the $21 minus the $20 that it spent out of your wallet, it made a clear profit of 80 cents. And like I said earlier, Jonny Blockchain put that full $21 into your wallet, but your back office inside your robot there, it showed that you only made 70 cents, not 80 cents, because it's earmarking 10 cents to put towards one of the other lots. So here's an example here. If we look at this lot here, as you can see, it says kept 15 cents. Well, it spent 25 and it sold for 25.63. Well, obviously it's going to take out the blockchain fees. So we'll get our calculator and we put 25.63 and we minus the 25 that it spent for the lot. And now we got 63 cents left, as you can see, 63 cents. Now that's 63 cents was back into your wallet. So if we go over to here, click on this here, we go over to the blockchain, we can clearly see that 25.63 was put back into the wallet. But coming back to Jonny Blockchain, it's showing you only made 2 cents. So if we now minus 0.002, that says that you made 61 cents. Well, if we now minus the 0.15 equals that, makes 11 cents. So that actually your bot so far has made 17 cents, but there's still 11 cents are not accounted for. That's because of the blockchain fees to do that trade, to make a buy and a sell. Let's say that the robot carried on trading now and it could buy and sell that lot free there a second time. Well, now the kept profits have gone up to 20 cents. Your ROI has gone from 70 cents to 140. It did it again. It made another buy and another sell. And of course, your ROI goes up and your kept profits goes up. And you'll also see that on the left-hand side here that your wallet balance is changing all the time because it's keep taking out the 20, putting back 21. This wallet will change all the time because the 10 cents are coming out of it. So this wallet will keep going down. So this is now done 4 buys and 4 sells. Instead of fifth one, so that means now that you've got kept profits of 50 cents, you've made an ROI of $3.50. Now at this stage, the lot that it bought for $20, if it was to sell it now, it would only get $19.80. So that would make a loss, wouldn't it? But this is where the magic happens. Jonny Blockchain knows that you've got 50 cents, that it's earmarked. So it says, well, actually, I can sell that lot. So if I use that 50 cents to say that I bought that lot here, instead of the robot paying $20 for it, it now says, well, I've actually got $19. I paid $19.50 for it. And it can sell for $19.80. That means it can make a profit. So now it does another trade, and at this time it can sell the very first open lot that it bought. And it makes 80 cents there because it's not going to keep back any profits because there's no more lots open. So at this stage, you've now made an ROI of $4.80. So let's break this down. So you started with $1,000 in your MetaMask wallet, and you started with $149.34 in your BNB wallet inside Jonny Blockchain. That gives you a total of $1,149.34. That's what you started with before the robot started to do any trades. Now in your wallet, your MetaMask wallet, you've got $1,005.80. In your Jonny Blockchain BNB wallet, well, obviously that was gone down. So that's gone down to $148.34. So if we add those two together, total combined over the two wallets, you've got $1,154.14. So let's just calculate this to see whether you've made a profit, even though you've paid out those blockchain fees. So if you take your two wallets at the top here, like I said earlier, if you total them up, you've got 1,149. That's what you started with. Now what you've got on these two wallets, you've got just over $1,000 inside your MetaMask wallet, and you've got this 148.34 sitting in your BNB Topup wallet. So if you take what you've got now of across those combined wallets and what you had before, that gives you your $4.80 profit that Jonny Blockchain is now showing you that you've earned. So now inside your MetaMask, you've got $1,005.80. So let's say we took away the $4.80. That leaves you $1 that you paid out in fees, blockchain fees, that came out of this wallet here. So in theory, what you could do is you could take that dollar, buy some more BNB to top up that wallet there. Now, out of that $4.80, you've got to pay a software service fee of 25%, which is $1.20. So you've got a clear profit of $3.60. After every fee, you've still got a clear profit of $3.60. If you want to create your own trading robot, below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.